Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to show you. Actually tonight, I don't know why I said today because it's tonight already, this evening I should say. And I have a Dollar Tree haul to show you. So yeah, I got a couple new things and some repeats. So I'll go ahead and get started. So before I get started, I just hope that you guys are all doing well. And again, I just want to say thanks for being here. And yeah, so let's get this party started. Yes. Okay. The first thing I got was this was like amazing find for me. I don't know. I went to two Dollar Trees, and so this was at the one I don't normally shop at, and so it came in bronze, like a bronze one, and the silver one. And to me, if you were to know that it was okay, so just sitting here, doesn't it look like it's heavy? Like, doesn't it look like it's like actually like a metal, you know, planter? It totally looks like that to me. And for $1, I was like, wow, that is amazing. And so this is what it looks like on the inside, and this is the bottom, and then again this is the I'll go ahead and go in closer so you can see it's got actually like a raised texture to it, so it's really beautiful. So I can't wait to use it. I think I'm going to use it for maybe, I'm trying to find an inside plant for our house. So I'm going to keep that in mind to try to find something that I could put that in that will fit, or I'll figure something out. Or I can even do like fake flowers, you know, and just jazz it up with fake flowers. I don't know yet, but for $1, that is a really good deal. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, the next thing I got, I'll go ahead and get started, was this. Now, I know in the other haul, I kind of gave this a thumbs down. So you're like, why are you buying it again? Well, I wanted to give it another chance because I had mentioned in one of my hauls a while back that I had made spaghetti, and when I went to cover it up with this, for leftovers for the next day, the next day when I went to pull the leftovers out, it had punctured holes in this foil because I guess I put it in too hot, like the spaghetti. When I covered, the spaghetti was too hot, so it actually dropped little pieces of foil all over my spaghetti, and I had to throw the spaghetti out. So I was like mad at this foil. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try it again. The convenience of it is that you pop it out. It's like one piece. It's 30 sheets, and because I had bought the Reynolds roll wrap from the Dollar Tree when I was upset with these after what happened with my spaghetti, and I feel like I go through that Reynolds wrap so much quicker than these. So I'm like, okay, I'll just go ahead and try this again. So 30 sheets for $1, yes. So I'm gonna give this another chance, and I'm just gonna be, remember that I can't really put hot foods, spoil it when it's really hot. You know what I mean? I think that's what was the mistake. So yeah, I got that. And then I picked up some more bandages. These are sheer antibacterial bandages. I didn't ever see those there before, antibacterial ones. I was like, oh, that's cool. And you get 40 in there for $1. Yeah, I was like, that's a really good deal. It's always good to have extra bandages, and stuff like that around the house and even for the car. So for $1 with antibacterial pad safe for minor cuts and scrapes and germ fighting protection. Yes, I'm all about that germ fighting protection. Then I picked up, they have these knuckle and fingertip. I might almost need a band-aid for just hitting my I just banged my elbow on the desk. These are fabric bandages, and they're for your fingers and knuckles, so those are cool too. Then I picked up another repeat buy of the LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Base Cleaner. I really like this stuff. I use it in every load of laundry I use. I use it in every load. And I just feel like it gives it that kind of extra boost of cleanliness. That's not a word. Cleanliness. I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like it just kind of powers up my laundry. You know what I mean? So, it may not work for everybody, but I guess for me, I really like it. So yeah, for $1, really good deal. It's like, I think it's 16 ounces, which that's a heavy duty amount for $1. I couldn't ask for more. Then this is another repeat buy for the Good and Clean wipes again. So I always pick these up when I'm there. 24 wipes is not a lot. I know that like if you go to like Target and other big box stores, you do get like a lot more wipes in the container. I feel like these do go fast. I do feel like I run out of these really fast, and I do have to replace them. So I'm not sure if I'm going to continue buying these or just go ahead and buy like the name brand ones or the Target version ones or the Walmart version ones. of these, because I just feel like I go through these within like, I feel like in a day I could almost go through this tube. You know what I mean? Because I'm like cleaning. I just don't feel like it lasts as long as like the name brand or off-brand ones from the big box stores. So I'm going to think about that one and think about it. I'm going to think and decide if I'm going to keep buying. I'm not sure. They work well, but like I said, I go through them so quickly. The next thing I bought was Top Ramen. This is another repeat buy for me. So you get 5 packs. That's a really good deal. Then I picked up, so this is never bought this before. This is a tablecloth, round. It has a flannel backing. Isn't that pretty? So I thought that was so pretty. And it comes in different sizes. There's the sizes on the back. And yeah, I thought that was really, really pretty. So I just thought that would be nice to have extra, like if, you know, company comes over. It has the flannel backing, or I just might put it on now. Our table in the kitchen has got some wear and tear on it. We have like a pub style table in our kitchen that seats all 6 of us, but we've had it for so many years, and my kids do crafts on it, and they do, you know, it's gotten scratched and stuff, the table, from like, you know, doing like projects on it and stuff like that. So it kind of like the wood is kind of, I mean, it's still a smooth surface, but it's just, it looks worn, you know what I mean? Which I kind of like that look, that like worn look, but I think that I might try to, I do tend to cover the table with the tablecloth, and I just thought that this is something different for me to try, like this print, and I thought it was really pretty, so for $1, I'll take it. And I also had one other print there. It was like black with like a damask look to it, I think, and maybe one more print. I can't remember, but this is not something I've seen. I think I might have seen this last year, but I don't know. So I've never bought this before, so I'm gonna go ahead and try that and make my table look more fresh and, you know, new again with something like this. Then I picked up, let's get bag number 2 going. I picked up this. I love this. This is so pretty. Home Sweet Home. I mean, how gorgeous is that? And it has the little, you know, hanger in the back. And I think it's going to be so pretty, like on the wall, and well, obviously on the wall. Okay, yeah. I guess I could put it on like a little like easel. So in my defense, I'm like on the wall, obviously. So anyway, I thought it was really pretty, and it just spoke to me, because Home Sweet Home, I'm all about like the home and like making a house a home. So yeah, so anyway, I thought I'll go ahead and take this wrapper off so you can kind of see it better. You can kind of get a better idea. This was the only one they had. It is a little scratched right here. Not scratched, but it has a little bit of like distressing there, and I'm not sure if that was on purpose. But I was like, you know what, this is so cool, and it does not even look like it was $1. So I'll go ahead and show you how beautiful it is. Now, isn't that so pretty? And here's the little wire hanger. Let me just fix my glove. There's the wire hanger in the back. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to grab it. Come on now. There we go. It's really... So it's just like a little wire hanger, sorry. And I think it's really pretty. So Home Sweet Home. And I love it. I love it. I love it. So yes, so that's that. And I've got to be careful. It is kind of like flimsy a little bit. I'm not going to lie. It's not very, it doesn't feel very sturdy, but I'll just be gentle with it. Then the next thing I got was more bandages, and these are the sheer ones, and these blend with the skin, and so they have all different sizes in there, so I just bought those 2 for $1 to have. So then what else did I get? I got, my daughter loves these sugar wafers in strawberry flavor. They also come in chocolate and orange at the store, but she loves the strawberry ones, and so I just picked those up. So yeah, $1 for these. And I always, when I open these up, I actually take them out, because you know they don't seal up. Like if you open this, it doesn't like stay fresh in there, because it's like you can't close it. So I always just empty them out into a Ziploc bag, and I use the IKEA ones, which worked out great, by the way. I just want to point out, like, I don't know if you saw that haul, and I might put it in at the end of my video here, I'm not sure. But I do have an IKEA video. It's in one of my videos below me here. As if, like, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. And so, what was I saying? So the bags that I was saying were huge from IKEA actually are pretty awesome bags. They are pretty awesome bags. And actually think that, like, I'm really glad I got them. I got 2 sizes of these bags, and now I ran out of the smaller bags anyway, it was really cool buy. And actually I want to go back to IKEA to get more of those bags. So I thought they were really cool. So I put them in those types of things. They're really kind of heavy duty too, which good job IKEA. They are really good bags. So anyway, these go in bags. Okay. The next thing I got was these gloves. These are latex gloves. These are just for, like, you know, cleaning, or it says doing dishes, kitchen, anything like that. So they're made by Scrub Buddies, and you get 10 in there. So you get a 10 pack. So I guess, so really you get 2, 4, well, yeah, 10. So, yeah, so I think that is 10 pack. I think, is that 20 then? Or are they saying 2 per hand? I don't know. Anyway, 10 pack is of gloves. So yes, I got those. That's such a good deal, because I have bought gloves on Amazon, like cleaning gloves, and they're way more expensive than $1. So this is like such a good deal. Then the last thing I got, I'm so excited about. Oh, I got one more thing before my exciting buy. I bought emery boards, and there are 24 in there, and they're all different shapes. So you can see, I'll go ahead and show you. And you get 6, 12. So they're showing you in the back what it's breaking it down for size wise, which is cool. And you get all these for $1. It's a really good deal. So I thought that was great. I haven't had an emery board in a while, so I'm like, well, I might as well just buy this whole pack and, like, get on my emery board game. You know what I mean? So the last thing I got was, I'm so excited about. Okay, so I picked up these, and I have to be a little quiet because I don't want my kids to hear me. But these are going to be for Easter, for a scavenger hunt for my kids. And so they open up like this, and then they close, so in the shape of a bunny. And they're just so cute for $1. I'm like, what? They're so cute. And so I'm gonna fill them with grass, and then I'm gonna put, like, you know, like Easter grass, and then I'm gonna put like toys and stuff like that. And so each of them will get that after we do the scavenger hunt in the house. So the Easter bunny will be leaving these for the kids. So I thought that was so cute. And so then I got them in 4 colors because we have 4 kids, and I want to make them, you know, each their own, like, special one. So there's that one, and I'll show you the rest. And so I think this will be for my son Roman. He'll get the yellow one. Isn't it so cute? I'll go in closer. And it's really pretty deep. Like, you can put a lot in there. So I'm really happy with this buy. And like I said, I know Easter's not till next month, right? Because we're in March. But as you know, the rule, like with Dollar Tree, if you see it one day, it may not be there the next time. So I just went ahead and got them now, and just to be safe, and then sorry, you know what I mean? So I'm glad I picked them up. Then this one, oh, sorry, I think the yellow is, I'll tell you who I'm going to give each Easter bunny to. And then this one I got the purple one. Isn't it so cute? I love all the colors. And then I got the blue one. So the blue one will go to my son Roman. So he'll get the blue one. Then I think, because, like, I've got 4 little bunnies of my own. So Roman, I think I'll do probably Paige, my oldest, Macy, and Sophie, my youngest. So yeah, so they each get their own, and that way they know whose is who. And I might even write their names on the belly, so that when they come to the end of their scavenger hunt, they know which ones is who. And so I don't have to be like, oh, that's yours, you know. It'll make it a little bit simpler. Like, maybe I could do something cute and write on their bellies. So yeah, or maybe put, like, a little tag around their neck with a little tag with their name on it. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But yeah, that is it for my haul. I think that's it. Yes, that's it. Yeah. So that's it for my haul today, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful Thursday. It's almost over. I know it's evening now, but I just wanted to get on here and show you what I got. So I hope that, again, that you guys are doing well. Thank you again for being here. Really do appreciate it. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. And I'll see you guys really soon with my next haul, okay? Till next time, I'll see you guys real soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.